Yes, so fly fam. You know, so today we are do some potato. Put the phone up, people. Long time people might ask the recipe, so we are drop the recipe here quick and fast. What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we lift up the world, yeah.
So alright folks, we got a pound of potato. We're going to grate the potato. Then we have a big coconut. We are gonna cut up the coconut and blend it. Normally with a grater, but you know it's a modern time, so to make it easier, we're just going to cut it up and we're going to blend it. So just half it down. Yeah. And blend it. So we have Dana today show how to do the potato pudding. Cause people, this is the first time we are prepare potato pudding. So I'm more of a cake person, so this are the first me I prepare. And I really me I prepare the potato pudding, but I got help on my hand, so Dana help me with the potato pudding, people. So people, the main idea is to get this perfect pudding. Alright, the first time I ever prepared pudding was like when me do a high school practical, that was cornmeal pudding. So as I said, at first we prepare the potato pudding. But give a shout out to Pash and Sash. Yeah. And check out them YouTube channel, people. Thing are going, them thing lit, you see me? We are drop them link in the description. So anyway, we got the potato grater and we have a coconut milk. So all we do is drop a pound of sugar in the coconut milk and we just mix to incorporate the sugar. So we have to mix out, people. Bear in mind you have to mix it out because you don't want the sugar grain stay in the so mix people. So alright, the main idea now, people, is that at the end all your ingredients supposed to weigh 4 pounds. So we're supposed to have not 1 pound potato, 2 pound potato, pound of flour, and pound of sugar.
Yeah, we need up little flour with that.
2 cup of flour?
Yeah, depends. They have, you might not use all of this. They have 3 pounds of potato. So you say you'd have between the yam and the cocoa and something. So you'd have 4 pounds with the potato and something in this. Alright? Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons mixed spice, pinch of salt,
vanilla, sweet.
and people, we're gonna put nutmeg. Now for the coconut milk mixture, we're gonna have vanilla. We add vanilla, rose water.
Your mixed spice.
So coconut milk, sugar, vanilla, and mixed spice.
Yes, and if you have any other spice you can have too.
You use rose water?
Me not use rose water. But you can use the rose water you can use it too. You keep a little salt in this because you want a little taste.
Yeah.
Pinch of salt. You don't want it to be fresh and have no taste. Your nutmeg. You grate your nutmeg in your flour.
Never bake total for you. Can't even try them something.
our time curfew now up till 9 o'clock, right?
I'm not sure what time of curfew.
I think at 3 o'clock, and next week at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, so the idea is
Okay.
mix dry ingredients, mix into incorporate everything. So all of that flavor, you know, people. Well, you must can smell it. All of that flavor. We just mix in for incorporate.
To get body, yeah. But I'm not ready to put the
Then
corn
we're gonna add the flour gradually to the potato and just mix in.
That means that this will come like binding age.
Yeah, go ahead, the flour.
After finish mixing that now, people, we just are pouring the coconut liquid. We are mix to get rid of all of the lump.
Me I can't do it back for you.
Cut and fold, we are cut and fold. So that basically that be just like you bake a cake. So you know, so you have to mix out all of the lump out of the pot, out of it. Then we add flour. Mix in.
Already, we must use all of that flour.
We don't want it too thin, no, we don't want it too thick.
And when they're done, it's half.
We want it just, what? Just right. And yeah, people, before we go no further, yeah, people, remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification so we can get some hot video like this. You can know when I drop a video. You don't miss out, people. Anyway, go back into the video.
This a potato. This a pudding.
Alright, people, so pudding can't overmix.
Pudding can't overmix. Because you have to mix it for all the lumps.
Mix out the lump.
Yeah, and nothing in it. Some people, when they eat them pudding, you see some big white something on top of it.
Yeah, you see flour.
Yes, you don't want that.
Right now mix out.
Because it don't mix out properly. So you try to get out all of the mix, the lump and something. I remember say you don't put baking powder in a pudding. Baking powder not go in a pudding. People put it in there. Baking powder, when you put baking powder in a pudding, it's halfy. Because remember say meanwhile the baking powder are cook, the flour cook everything are cook. You don't have nothing there for hardening. So it was halfy and look on it. You don't want that. Let me take a little more spice. Spice it up.
So that's the texture we like for.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, you don't want it thick on it. After no.
And a rock cake.
And a rock cake, yeah, bake.
Now these are the nice pudding. Potato pudding. Alright, so the pudding will be here for 45 minutes, right? 45 minutes. Yeah, for about 45 minutes in the oven. Alright, we're gonna see you guys back in at the next 45 minutes.
Yes, so this is our rich Jamaican potato pudding. So I'm never get to cut it because it's hot, so I can't cut it now.
It's already hot.
Look at the world now.